Here at the University of Arizona Testing Office, we strive to make your testing experience as comfortable as possible. We offer the GRE exam several times a week, and many candidates come in before the day of their test to see what the testing environment and process will be like. You should arrive at the office 30 minutes prior to the start time of your exam. When you arrive, you will check in with your test administrator, who will provide you with some paperwork containing information about the exam. Look over this information carefully and be sure to ask the administrator if you have any questions regarding the policies. There is a confidentiality agreement that you must agree to and sign before checking in for your exam. Once you have completed this paperwork, we will complete your electronic check-in process and begin your exam. You must present a current government-issued ID containing a photo and signature. If you are testing outside of your country of citizenship, you must present a passport as your primary ID. For identification purposes, your photo will be taken during the check-in process. You will be able to use one of our lockers to store all of your personal belongings during the exam. You will only be allowed to access a beverage and snack during your break, and all study materials and electronic devices, including cell phones, may not be used until after you complete your exam. Pencils and scratch paper will be provided for you at the test center. We do our best to keep noises and distractions in the testing lab at an absolute minimum. However, you will have the option to use noise-blocking headphones and earplugs provided by our test center. The test is computer-based and each section is individually timed within the exam software, so candidates will not start and stop at exactly the same time. Some candidates may finish sections early and skip the optional 10-minute break, while others take advantage of the full time given. You may step out of the room whenever you like, but you must use a sign-in sheet provided by the center. Also keep in mind that you must carefully follow the on-screen directions. At the end of the exam, you will see your raw, verbal, and quantitative scores. There will be no score printout provided to you on the exam day, but your official scores will be sent 2 to 3 weeks later and will include your analytical writing score. On the day of the exam, after viewing your raw scores, you will have the option to electronically report your score to up to 4 institutions. After the day of the exam, there will be a fee for reporting scores, and you can do this online at the GRE website. In general, you should expect the exam to take about 3 to 4 hours. It is your responsibility to understand the exam policies and ID requirements. For more information, please visit our center's website for directions and contact information. We welcome you to call us or stop by our office if you have additional questions. You may also visit the GRE website to register and read more about the exam, including information on the revised GRE coming August 1st, 2011.